Hey y'all, welcome back to another Vlogmas, Ashley's Diary, whatever we're calling this now. Y'all like my straight hair? I did it with this straightener that I got at Walmart. It's called Remington. Y'all already know the deal. It's linked below. Anyways, happy Vlogmas. Yes, I'm still sick. I'm on new antibiotics now. I'm on doxycycline. So, if I disappear from YouTube again, y'all know where I'll be. I'll be in the bathroom because doxycycline be like that. But anyways, I'm just heading out to do errands. I'm gonna make myself my water. I'm gonna use these little babies for my ice. And yeah, so they actually just fit inside of your cup like that, and then the water goes in the middle. It's really nifty and they stay for a while. I love having me a cold drink. So these are really good for that. Another thing is water. So I have a, hold on, look. I have a zero water thing right here. It looks like this. And it removes a lot of the total, what is it, TDS? It stands for total dissolved solids in the water. Like just all that nasty stuff that you don't want to be drinking. Like the water in my town tastes like pool water, and like the water wasn't that, it was bad, but it wasn't that bad where I lived before. But when I moved to the town I live in now, I was like, this is pool water, this can't be good. So I got the zero water thing, and it like literally rips the Brita to shreds. Like, get you a zero water filter if your water is nasty. I don't know, if you really think about it, the way we have taste, and like if we can taste that something's bad, like our taste can be like a indication that something's dangerous or not good for our health. So if your water be tasting nasty, you probably shouldn't be drinking it, and you probably need a better filter. The fridge ain't cutting it. So yeah, that's my rant about my zero water filter. But anyways, I can tell a difference in how I feel when I drink it. Like when I'm drinking the regular fridge water out of my fridge, because the water here is just not good, I start having stomach issues. I'm not playing with y'all, I do. Anyways, let's make the water for today. So today I'm gonna do Sonic Cherry Limeade. Really good. It's cherry and lime. One thing about me is I actually don't like cherry flavored stuff. I really like grape. Like grape is my hands down absolute favorite. I also love like berry, and probably like peach is a close second, and then third is watermelon. It depends, like not watermelon everything, but like certain watermelon things I like, but grape is my number one. But cherry, funny story, my mom's favorite is actually cherry, and so like growing up, like all of my medicine was cherry flavored because that was her favorite. But I don't know if it was that or just that I really don't like cherry stuff. But like if I would have something cherry, like it would like give me a headache. I don't know if it just reminded my body of being sick, so like it would give me a headache. But anyways, I told her like no more cherry, no more cherry. All the cold medicine turned grape, right? Because my favorite is grape. And then when my sister was growing up, she hated grape because grape reminded her of being sick because all the cold medicine was grape. So that's my little bit about favorite flavors. But anyways, I like this cherry because it's not too cherry. It has the lime in it, so it kind of like balances out, and like it's the cherry limeade from Sonic, which is literally elite, top tier. So anyways, get you some of these. But yeah, I'm gonna mix that up. Okay, so for my scent combo of the day, so I've been feeling, first of all, so I filmed the Sugar Plum Fairy makeup look yesterday, and I really like how it turned out. It looks like that style of makeup like makes me look so different. If you check out my community tab, the picture that I put of myself, of the post that I said, talked about going live and like what times I should go live, that's from that look. Hold on. Hello? Okay. Okay, say hi to YouTube.
Oh, hey. Hey, YouTube. Hi, how you doing?
That was my mom. She's getting her oil changed at Walmart. That's the best place to get your oil changed. let me tell y'all, because the Walmart mechanics, they get paid hourly and not commission. So you know how mechanics be, like, they might be doing this, that, the other thing to your car. I'm not saying anything bad about mechanics. That's a really valuable profession to have. I wish I had that type of knowledge. But, you know, it's hard being a woman and not knowing if someone's doing something weird to your car to make money off of you to get more work done or whatever. And anyways, Walmart, they only work off hourly. They don't get commission. So it really doesn't pay them any extra money or serve them any way to like jack up your car. So highly recommend Walmart. And they have the best tire deals ever. If you get your tires through them, you can get a warranty on your tires. It's like $10 extra a tire, and then you get free tire balance and rotations for life. And you do have to like do it to maintain your warranty. But if you run over a nail or you get a flat or anything, they'll replace it for free, and they really do. So I'm not paid to say any of this. I should be. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm a Walmart enthusiast. Walmart is my favorite place. Walmart is literally the happiest place on earth. Like, I wish I wish the rest of their stuff hasn't gotten so expensive, but I love Walmart. Walmart is amazing. I grew up going there with my granny. We used to ride the bus and go to Walmart. So anyways, I'll get off my Walmart soapbox, but that is the best place to get stuff for your car. And, well, not stuff for your car, but it's the best place to get your oil changed and your tires done. And if you're getting your oil changed, you might as well get your tires rotated. And then in my past video, my doctor vlog, I was telling y'all about how looking for the correct type of oil to put in your car. That is very important. I broke a car like that, not changing my oil. Make sure you check that video out. But they also have that. They have a book with like literally every car ever in it, and if you can't find it, they'll literally help you. Highly recommend Walmart. It's the best. Back to what I was saying about Sugar Plum Fairy vibes. So that's like seems like it's a really big trend this year, like the pastel rose tone type makeup. And honestly, I love it. It reminds me of that picture of Pam Anderson when she was going to that Halloween party and like had that fluffy hat on. I just love that style of makeup. It's just so like feminine and so flattering and just like soft. It's not overly harsh, it's just soft. And anyways, so to go along with that and like those vibes, I've been wanting like a scent combo to encapsulate those vibes. I've been really into like the Sugar Plum scent combo that I found that I really like is it's called like Blackberry Sugar Body Scrub. And then with the Blackberry Sugar Body Scrub, like scrub yourself down with a good old washcloth. Washcloth is the best way to get clean, y'all. Like, trust me, once you start doing it, you won't go back. A clean washcloth every time. And then afterwards, put on Ari by Ariana Grande. It has raspberry, it has marshmallow, I think it has bergamot in it. Like, that scent combo is mwah. Like Sugar Plum Fairy vibes. Like, I'm thinking like, I just picture like frosted raspberries with sugar on them, like hanging in an enchanted forest and everything's covered in snow. Like, those are the vibes, okay? Yeah, so if you want to smell like that, go get those. Go get that perfume and get that body wash. Highly recommend. That's also my favorite body wash ever. That scent is just, oh, I love it. I wish the scent lasted longer. But today, so yesterday I actually wanted to do a purple makeup look. But today, I think I'm going to do the purple makeup look. And I think it's going to be like purple with like snow. So like little like white dots. Kind of like piggybacking off of like more of that Sugar Plum vibes and the pastels. The pastels are supposed to be really big this year, and honestly, like I said earlier, I love that style of makeup. It's just so flattering. Side note, I literally have like 2 notches away from empty for my gas. Like, I never do that. Like, I am not that person that like pushes it to the last minute, but I have a family member who has a BJ's membership, and they have like the cheapest gas, so I've been like waiting till I could go with them to get my gas, and it just hasn't happened yet. And so I don't have any gas, and I know that if Walmart takes too long doing my mom's oil, I'm gonna have to go pick her up. So I'm gonna put a little bit of gas in now. So yeah. So I use this app called Gas Buddy. Am I blurry? I'm blurry. Oh my gosh. So I use this app called Gas Buddy for gas to like find the cheapest gas, because like why pay more for gas? Anyways, and this app says the gas is $2.97 and it's very clearly $3.19. I could go to a different gas station. Well, it says it's $3.07. I'm gonna go down the road. Pro tip though, like, don't wait till the last minute to get gas. Like, us women, like, we need to be thinking about safety. And even though it's like, I'm a grown woman, like, I'm an adult, like, I can do whatever I want when it blah blah blah. Yeah, but like, you don't want to be somewhere in the middle of the night and then like it's Christmas Eve and all the gas stations are closed. Like, I'm not saying 100% that would happen in like a real way. It probably wouldn't, but like, you never know. Like, you just like, or it's raining and you're tired and you don't feel like, so just don't wait till the last minute with the gas. Like, I try to fill up like at a half, and if you really want to get like frugal with it and really get smart, don't fill up. I think it's like Wednesday through Sunday. Fill up like Monday through Wednesday. The gas tends to be cheaper, and like, I don't know, every cent counts, you know what I mean? Like, why, I don't know, why pay more? That's my thing. Really imbalancing my camera on a hair clip, like on my hair, on my vent, because that's like the best way that I have to film. And taking my turns really slow, but I wish I had my lip gloss. My favorite lip gloss is the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Yummy Gloss. And I better stop yapping so much, and I need to get back to my house so I can film while it's still light outside and then go live tonight. Okay, I got my $8 whole of gas. Woo! I feel like I'm filming for Keeping Up with the Kardashians or something with this thing on my dash. I feel like people are looking at me like, why is there a camera on her dash? Whatever, I don't care. If they want to judge me, they can pay my bills. Can't pay me all my bills. Ah! Alright, we're good.